is delicious.
Our first Thanksgiving together.
As one big happy family.
Yay!
Who's ready for dessert?
Ooh, I can't wait for your famous pumpkin pie, Mom. Just wait until you guys taste it. Oh, the yummiest pumpkin pie in the world. No, Telepup. This is for everyone. Down, Telepup. Where they go? We gotta find them, quick! Let's go! Get us down, Telepup. Calm down, Telepup. Jordie! Telepup! Where are you? Mila! Morphle! Up here! Help! Morphle, morph into a helicopter. Leave it alone, Telepup. Telepup, the pie is for everyone. Come back to the Magic Pet Center so we can all have some. Let's keep searching, Morphle. Telepup, stop being so naughty. How are we going to catch a teleporting pup? Morphle, no idea. I know! Morphle, can you morph into a ball, please? A ball? Yeah, that's the only thing doggies love more than food. Oh, Telepup, look what I've got. When you get to the trees, morph into a net and catch Telepup. Okay, Mila. Jordie, quick, run back home. What? Not again. Oh, no. Telepup, can we just go back to the Magic Pet Center? Morphle, the pie! Yay!
I'm thankful we can all be together.
And I'm thankful for my new mom and brother. And of course, you, Morphle. I'm Morphle thankful for Mila and pie. Come in, ready or not. That tickles! You got me! Now I'll tag Jordie. Tag! Where's Catmo? There you are! Tag! Don't be sad, Catmo. You just need to find a better hiding place. Wow! Morphle, Catmo tagged you. Let's tag her. Where's Catmo? We'll never find Catmo in all the snow. Unless we move some of it out of the way. Look, it's Catmo! Morphle, can you become something a little speedier, please? There she is! Careful! It's slippery! Tag her! Tag her! This isn't supposed to fly! Nowhere to go, Catmo! Wow! Catmo's in the snow fortress! And we're going in after her! Wait! The door is not open! You just drove through a door! as a snow door, Jordie. A door is still a door. Get her! This is becoming impossible. There she is! Catmo, this game has gone out of control. Catmo, wait! Being caught is part of the game of tag. It's fun. Ready to play again?
Welcome to the Pet Port Flower Show.
Hi, guys. Hi, Jenny. Hi, Jenny. I really want to win that trophy. Let's get my flower. Ooh, I need to give it some water. Morphle, if you please. Thank you. Hey, Mila, this flower looks really thirsty. It's a magic pet! Not just any magic pet. It's a shrub cup. According to the magic pet primer, she can make flowers and plants grow anywhere. Whoa! Oh, actually, oh no! We have to stop her turning pet port into jungle port. But how? Quick, after her! Mila, a little help, please. Thank you. Ooh, Shrub Cup tired. Jordie, where does Shrub Cup sleep? Let's have a look. Got it. In giant flowers. And, apparently, they love berries. In that case, I've got a plan. But first, we need to get her back to the Magic Pet Center. And I know how. Tasty berry. Who wants a tasty berry? Ooh!
A jungle? Not in my city.
Don't worry, Shrub Cup. Morphle, morph into a flower. Here, Shrub Cup. It worked! Shh! Oops, sorry. It worked! Morphle, lower us to the ground. Oh, she's so cute! They're a magic match! Jenny, meet Shrub Cup. I can't believe I've got a magic pet!
Shrub Cup, could you please return Pet Port to normal?
Thank you, Shrub Cup. And thank you all for helping me find my magic match. I think we can all agree that Shrub Cup is the best at growing flowers. Great catch, Jordie! Throw it to me! Oops! Dun 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 dun! Wow! Hi, I'm Theo, but you can call me Super Theo! Hello, Super Theo! Watch me fly! Dun 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 dun! Dun 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 dun! Litterpug can make you fly for real. He's a magic pet. Wait, what? Yes, please! Yes, please! Yes, please! Whoa! I'm flying!
Cool, right? You'll be able to fly until Glitterpug zaps you again.
I'm actually flying!
They're a magic match.
Like Mila and Morphle! Oh, I'm matched with a pet who can make me fly? Best day ever!
Make me fly too.
Winston!
Yeah! I'm flying! This is awesome!
Winston doesn't know how to fly.
We have to save him! And Super Theo will help you!
Let's go.
Super Theo to the rescue!
I meant to do that.
Hang on, Winston! We'll save you!
I don't need saving.
Woohoo!
What? Flying children? Only in my city.
Hi, Hamster Freeze! Glitterpug! Zap Winston!
Whoa!
No! Now Winston can't fly!
I can't.
Whoops! Quick, Morphle! Morph into a superhero! Whoa! Gotcha! Great catch, you two! Now that was a real superhero moment.
Put me down immediately.
What a super day! Jordie, Jenny, is our animal costume show super exciting or what? Totally! I'm super excited too!
Hey, kids. We're gonna get Aunt Augustine so she can watch the show with us.
Okay, Daddy. What animal are you going to be, Morphle? Morphle now! Morphle play too! Morphle? Okay, you can be in the show, but you have to choose a different animal. Morphle's already the lion. Oh, no. Orphle, bring the stage back. Daddy and Gianna will be back any minute with Aunt Augustine. Let's go! Yeah! Get after him, Morphle! There he is! How are we going to get our stage back? Oh, Morphle now! I bet you can't jump through a moving hoop, Orphle. Orphle can! Shrubcup, don't let him get away! Stuck! Way to go, Shrubcup! Now we've got to get the stage back to the Magic Pet Center. Morphle? Woohoo! Yeah! Our first stage! Thanks, Morphle. But now what do we do? The juggle set's ruined.
Hello, kids. I can't wait to see your show.
Sorry, Aunt Augustine. We don't have a set.
No set, no show.
Wait! Shrubka can make the jungle.
Awesome!
Yay! Not again. Hey, why can't there be 2 lions in the show?
Huh? Well, I don't see why not.
Morphle hat.
Hey everyone, this is Slushy Seal. He'll cool you all down. Watch this.
Wow. According to the Magic Pet Primer, it can turn things into juice pops.
Morphle loves juice pops.
I know you do, Morphle. But Eloisa can have this one because she's the youngest.
Strawberry, my favorite. Thanks, Slushy Seal. They're a magic match. Wow. Can you make that a juicy pop?
Hey!
And can you make that a juicy pop?
Ooh, that's cold.
Yeehaw! Juicy pops for everyone!
They're gonna turn everything into juice pops.
Don't worry, we'll get her back. Let's go.
Be careful!
Whoa! This is not cool. Actually, it's very cool. Let's find Eloisa and Slushy Seal. Juicy pops everywhere.
No juice pop.
Morphle? Don't worry, Morphle. We'll get you out of there. But how? What's Eloisa's favorite juice pop flavor? Strawberry. Well, that's what you need to morph into, Morphle.
Have a tasty strawberry.
Let's make a huge strawberry juicy pop. We gotta save them. Almost. Yes. Thank you. You're welcome. But you can't fill up Petport with huge juice pops. And look what you've done to Morphle. Sorry, we didn't see him.
No juice pop.
Hi, Daddy. We're here.
Oh, that's better.
Okay, let's try this again.
Yeah! Thank you, Slushy Seal.
Tasty juice pops.
I'm so glad to have my magic match. Morphle, would you like a juice pop?
No juice pop.
Some for you, Jordie. I don't like broccoli.
You always say that, honey, but you've never even tasted it.
You'll never know until you try, buddy.
They're like little trees, see?
Delicious trees.
But I don't want to eat trees. Well, how about if they were a dinosaur? Why would I want to eat a dinosaur? Don't worry, Doubler can make some more broccoli for everyone. Doubler, that's enough! There's broccoli everywhere! Don't worry, Ingra, everything's gonna be okay. Whoa! Ingra's power made all the vegetables bigger! A lot bigger.
Guys.
Oh no! It's a broccoli-saurus! Whoa, that's not something you see every day. Unless you're us. We need to stop it.
smush the ice cream truck.
We need to lure it away.
And I know how. The Brachiosaurus is a herbivore.
It eats vegetables.
So let's feed it. Come on, you Veggiesaurus. Try a nice, yummy potato. Now try some carrots.
Animi, do your thing.
Well, that's enough broccoli for one day, huh?
After all that, you're not even curious what it tastes like?
Well...
Jordie, like broccoli?
No. I love broccoli.
Yay!
Hey, is there any more?
Wow! It's Pet Park Cleanup Day!
Let's make our beautiful town even more beautiful.
Never clean! Bubble Bear, your bubbles are making Petport even prettier.
Huh?
Rainbow bubbles!
What's happened? His tail went in my paint. Ah! Bubble Bear, stop! We're supposed to be cleaning up Petport, not making it messier.
We need to clean the paint off your tail.
We have to stop him before Petport becomes paintport.
Do something, Morphle!
Let's go! The whole town is getting messed up. Watch out!
Morphle, spin your blades as fast as you can and blow the bubbles away.
What? Huh?
We need to wash that paint off.
But how?
Never get water.
Huh?
Put me down, please.
Ah, that's better.
Phew! Guys, we have to find Bubble Bear.
There he is!
Let's get him! Time to clean you up, Bubble Bear. Let's make the town cleaner than ever. Bye-bye, Piggy Snack Snack.
Wow! Great job cleaning up the town.
Thanks, Daddy.
Actually, I prefer the fence with the paint splats.
This is going to be the best magic pet dance party yet.
Oh, I think the pets will love these balloons.
Count a sheep, stop!
He's chasing after Inkra. We must make their playing again.
Daddy, we're back with more balloons.
Huh? They're asleep.
More like sleepy, and I know why. A pink cloud can only mean one thing. Count a sheep! We better stop him before he puts the whole town to sleep. We're gonna need some help to find him. Morphle, morph into something tall to give us a better view.
Just go slow, please.
Count a sheep! Count a sheep!
Look, it's Officer Freeze. Count a sheep must have put him to sleep.
Don't get too close, Morphle.
Yeah, we don't want you to become a Brachiosaurus.
There he is! He's found Ingrid and seems to have calmed down. Let's go!
It's pretty high.
It's gonna be okay, Jordie. Sliding is so fun! Uh-oh! Oh no! Counter Sheep's getting all excited again! Morphle. Morph into a plane.
Morphle sleepy.
Come on. You can sleep in the plane. Come on, Morphle. We need to get rid of the sleep cloud. Morphle, help! Yay! Get ready, Ingrid. And now!
Welcome back, normal-sized Counter Sheep.
Now all we have to do is wake everyone up and go to our dance party. Yay! I'm glad everyone's awake. I missed. Your turn, Jordie.
Oh, I missed too. Bigger, please.
Thank you. Good thinking, Morphle. Winston, are you okay?
What? I wasn't crying, but I can't find my cat, Claude.
I don't know what I'd do if I'd lost Morphle.
Where did you last see Claude?
At the animal sanctuary. I was halfway through giving him a present, and he ran off.
Well, let's go back and have another look.
I guess that makes sense.
Claude!
Where is he?
Ingrid, could you shrink that head to see if Claude is behind it?
Well, he's not there.
Could you shrink those trees, please? Tiger! Morphle, morph into a speedboat! Phew.
We'll be safe here.
This isn't the cat I wanted to find.
Morphle, get us out of here!
We're safe. Did we just get sneezed up by an elephant?
We have to find Ingrid and get back to normal size!
Monkeys!
we still haven't found Claude.
Don't worry, Winston. We'll find him. Let's go back to the Magic Pet Center to think where Claude is. Huh? What's that? What?
Claude! I was so worried about you. Would you like the rest of your present?
Oh, so cute! I'm not sure Claude agrees.